Hey there! My name is Mark from AVITWave Installation and Integration Limited. As a certified network engineer, I'm going to show you the professional way on how to terminate an Ethernet cable. This is a crucial skill whether you're setting up your home network, running your PoE security camera cable, or managing commercial installation. Before we begin, let's look at what you'll need. RJ45 crimper tool, a cable stripper, Cat6 RJ45 connector, cable tester, and of course, your Cat6 cable. Having the right tools makes all the difference in getting a reliable connection. Now let's get started. First, we'll cut our cable to length. Always add 2 to 3 inches for safety. 2 to 3 inches for safety. This is something we do daily at AVITWave. Using a cable stripper, we'll remove about 1.5 inches out of our outer jack. Now, watch how I am careful not to nick the internal wires. This is crucial for maintaining network integrity. Now that the wires are exposed, just separate them one by one and take off the inner jacket, which is this one, the fabric jacket. This cable is for outdoor, so that's why it has a fabric jacket, and as well as this plastic guide that's inside the cable. So now you have to separate one by one each of these twisted pair. Careful not to damage them, as it's very crucial not to damage this twisted pairs. Group them as they were, group them into twos, same color. At this moment, try not to mix them up, so it's easier to arrange them later. Okay, now that they're all separated, using a tweaker or small screwdriver, we need to smoothen them out. Make sure they're straight. There we go. They're looking all straight. Straight. There we go. Now they are nice and straight. Now for the important part, wire arrangement. We're using the T568P standard, which is in the industry standard. Let me show you the exact order. It's white, orange, orange, white, green, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. This is very important in this arrangement. Make sure they are properly arranged and try to smoothen them out even better. Like this. Make sure they're all straight, because if they're not straight, then they might not go inside the terminal properly. The RJ45 connector properly. Now that they're straight, I'm gonna cut some of the wire here, so they will be just like flush. They're flush right there. Now I'm using my tweaker to put the orange, blue, green, and brown a little bit higher. So when I insert this RJ45 connector, they'll be inside properly, which is just like that. Insert it all the way the end. It's your choice if you want to use a jacket on this one. It's your choice if you want to put a jacket. If you want to put a jacket, it's your choice, but then as it is, it's good to go. So just cut the extra wire. Now we're gonna get our crimping tool. Here's our crimping tool. We're gonna insert the connector inside and just crimp it just like that. Make sure when you crimp, make sure it's flush, so when you put it into the port, you had a solid connector. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other end of the cable. Now we're gonna use our network testing tool to make sure the connection is okay. So we put it to test. We will insert this end of the tester and the other end, the other one, and as you can see, we have all green light, which means our connection is good, and now we're ready to insert this to a network switch or insert it to a PoE security camera. There you have it, a professional Ethernet cable termination. If you need help with network installation, security camera installation, or other IT services in the Vancouver area, reach us out at AVITWave or visit our website www.avitwave.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more professional IT tips from AVITWave. Thank you very much, and you guys have a good day.